Yo, what's up everyone? It's Rico here from fxtitans.com. So guys, I know it's been a while and I really hope that you guys are doing fine and been trading well, right? Yeah, in today's video I want to review CTI or City Traders Imperium funding program. Alright, so actually I started the challenge almost 2 months ago. Yeah, and I took the 20K funded program. Alright, so I'm just gonna go through the rules first, and then before that, before I show you my progress after almost 2 months trading. So let's take a look first at the rules. Alright, so the evaluation rules. Okay, of course every platform has their own rules, and I think CTI is not really that much different. The rules is just pretty strict, right? Of course, because they're looking for skilled traders that really can manage the risk and follow the rules. So first of all, let's take a look at the max time limit. All right, so I think I really like this one because they give us up to 1 year, so basically 12 months, right? And I think it allows traders, especially like myself, a swing trader, really enough time to achieve the target. Yeah, and I think it helps traders to enjoy the process more, and really so they can really manage their risk well as well. And yeah, and again, without have that time constraint, right? Because they have a 1 year to really pass the challenge. It's a pretty good one, max time limit. Yeah. Next one, we have minimum active trading days. Alright, so CTI funded program, they have 30 active trading days. Alright, so trader must trade at least, yeah, this is the minimum, 30 active trading days. So one thing they need to pay attention is what is active trading days. So right, it states that so basically you open a new trade, yeah, in one trading day. Yes, and it counts as a trading days, not a fully, you open and close the trade. So no, so it's only open a new trade. So basically on Monday, for example, you open a trade on Euro US dollar, and then that already counts as one trade, right? Even though it doesn't matter, you close it on Tuesday or on Wednesday, something like that. So it doesn't really matter. So only you open a new trades on every trading days. All right, so now it's not calendar days, okay, because only forex, yeah. So next, let's take a look at profit targets and profit share. Okay, so because I'm taking the 20K funded program, they gave me the 5K live account, yeah, on my evaluation phase. So basically the target is 6%, so equivalent to $300. Alright, so later on, if you guys decided to take the challenge, you can see the target as well. Yeah, it's 7%. Yes, it's higher. Yeah, if you take the 17.5 evaluation phase, the funded account, but the I'm sorry, it's the evaluation funded, yeah, but you get 80 okay, US dollar. Sorry about that. All right, so on the evaluation phase, profit share percent is it's 50%. It's pretty good. So basically, you can still get some of your money back, yeah, after you pass the or after you achieve the target. Basically, it's pretty good. Okay, so let's take a look at the account growth. All right, so basically, once you achieve the target, that's 6%. For example, in my case, because I have the 5K. Once I reach that $300, they will give me 20K. So basically 4 times, yeah, the evaluation account size. So later on, if you take the 12.5K evaluation funded account, then you will get 50K fully funded account once you pass the evaluation. So, okay, easy. It's self-explanatory actually. Next, we have the allowed tradable assets. So CTI only, you can only trade forex pairs, and they have only 28 currency pairs, and it states like this one, yeah. So you cannot trade gold or indices, okay. So just focus on forex pairs, guys. All right, it's pretty simple actually. Okay, so this is the one that actually pretty important, yeah. The max risk exposure and leverage. Okay, so first leverage is 1 to 100. Okay, but the exposure, this is the one that is most important, yeah. It's the ratio is 5 to 1. So in my case, because I have the on my evaluation phase is 5K account, so my maximum exposure lot, yeah, the lot size is 0.25 at any given time. So the total, yeah, the total running trades at any given time should not exceed 0.25 lot. So that's actually yeah, maybe some people say this is pretty small, but I think again because they have the rules, right? The laws and stuff like that. So I think if you can follow the rules, I think shouldn't be really a problem, right? I think the key here is to enjoy the process, follow the rules, and yeah, and then because you have 1 year to do it, then you can achieve it. So next is max stop loss value, yeah, right? And so basically we've talked about stop loss. Make sure that you before you click that buy or sell button, right? I think make sure you put the stop loss already in place, right? And the maximum stop loss is 1.5% of your initial account balance, right? So basically, for in my case, because I have 5K, so it should not really exceed $75. Yeah, every position. Yeah, but myself, I risk no more than 0.5%. Yeah, it's like around 0.3 and to 0.5%. So basically around $15 to $25 per trade. Okay, so that's me. Okay, so again, you should not really exceed 1.5% risk per trade. That's all. And but also in total, yeah, and at any given time, running trades should not really exceed 1.5%. So basically, let's say you have 3 trades. One you have already risked 0.5%, good. The second one you risk another 0.5%, that's still good because the total's 1%. So the third one, of course, you need to you should not really risk more than 0.5% because the total already 1.5%, right? So just make sure that running trade, the total risk at any given time should not risk 1.5%. I think it's pretty simple. Now let's talk about the max loss. Okay, so this is the real the thing, right? They still have the rules relative drawdown. Okay, so which again, if you compare to a other platform, right? They already give you the absolute drawdown. So I think for some traders, I think will maybe will think twice, yeah, to take this challenge because of the relative drawdown, because I think some of them are not comfortable with this. But yeah, again, in my case, because I have 5K evaluation account, yeah, my max drawdown should not exceed $200, and it's relative drawdown. So every time I reach a new high, new balance, the highest balance. So I think again should not really it's a fixed a drawdown, yeah. So every time make sure every time you reach a new high, okay, on your balance, make sure that you pay attention on your drawdown, because it's relative drawdown. All right, it's not absolute drawdown, right? I think that is really important. The next one is, okay, trading styles. Okay, cool, because trading styles, they actually welcome any trading styles, right? You can use EA, yeah, and even hedging is allowed, right? And holding trades overnight is allowed. This is so me because I'm a swing trader. Yeah, I can hold my trades, maybe up to 1 week or so, or again, I mean, even a trade, hold the trade over the weekend, right? I think that's pretty important as a swing trader, right? So basically the rules, again, for myself, because I'm a swing trader, right, I think there shouldn't be a problem. I can definitely follow all the rules, right? And it just all again depends on the market. If the market gives us the opportunity to make money, right? So I think, guys, that's the rules. All right, so now I want to show you the let's go to the MT4, right? And I want to show you my progress. Okay, So let's see. All right, first of all, let's take a look at the broker. All right, you're gonna get this if we're gonna use MT4, right? And this is the broker is CBT Limited Trading. All right, and first of all, let's take a look at the spread. Yeah, the spread is, as you can see, is pretty amazing. Even the euro US dollar right now is basically spread is zero, right? And see something, and it's pretty low. As it's not pretty low, it's very low, right? So I think for you guys, I think the spread is doesn't really matter. I haven't got any problems, any disturbance. Yeah, I call it, trading with this MT4, and I think pretty smooth, pretty cool, right? So again, let's take a look at this one. Started with 5K. I started pretty slow. Yeah, I'm gonna show you my this is the stats. Look at this one. I started like on the 11th March, right? And I started pretty slow. Drawdown, yeah, it's like almost more than a month or so. It's like under the initial balance, but went back up, right? Because I use again, my trading system allows me to really have a good risk reward ratio, and as you can see right now, it's been 55 days trading, and you can see here risk reward ratio is 1.21, the average, right? And yeah, again, myself, I'm a believer, in average win, average losses. As you can see, it's almost double. Yeah, and that is actually what you're looking for. Yeah, you know that you're gonna make money if you have the stats like this. I'm not trying to show off, but I mean, I think every time I see a really profitable traders, and when they see their stats, right, I don't really care about their win rate. What I care is about their risk reward ratio and the average win and average loss. Yeah, once you take care of that, once you deal with that, you do this. This is your homework, right? Once you do this, I think you're gonna make money in the long run. All right, so as you can see right now, I have two trades. One is Aussie US dollar and one is Euro US dollar, right there. Right now the profit is 77.87. It's a long way to go because the target is 300. But because I've been risking 0.3% to 0.5%, so basically not more than $25 per trade. Sometimes I risk $15. Sometimes I risk $25. Depends on the setup, if it's a grade A setup or a grade B setup. I call it like that. Okay, so I think it shouldn't be really a problem with MT4 because the spread is good. There's no problem. There's no record or something like that. I think all good, all smooth. I like it so much. Okay, but there's one thing that I really kind of annoyed me a little bit. Because CTI, unfortunately, currently CTI does not have client dashboard. Yeah, unlike the other platform out there, right? You can log into your client dashboard and you can see your stats. Yeah, they can show you the target, the drawdown, the max daily loss or something like that. But unfortunately, CTI, you guys, you don't really have it. You don't have it right now. So I think this is pretty myself, I find it pretty, it's a shame because myself, I need to connect to fxblue.com, and unfortunately FXBlue cannot really give you a good overview. You cannot really tell, okay, how many trading days you have, and then your max loss, max and your drawdown, something like that. I think it's just a shame. So for you guys that you're not really familiar and comfortable with that, I think you will find it pretty difficult, yeah, to really see and check where you at. Yeah, and I think that's what I've been struggling with, right? And yeah, I think so in my view, yeah, in my opinion, everything is good. The rules, no problem, everything is okay. It's just one thing here that I can say is they don't have the client dashboard, right? So I think, guys, if you can maybe develop a client dashboard later in the future, I think that would be great. Yeah, because I think you really have the potential to become one of the best. I think, yeah, to be a competitor, or I can say to be one of the monks of the the best out there, I think, in terms of the yeah, forex prop firm. Or I guess I think that's my review. Yeah, CTI funded program. I think yeah, I believe that, yeah, again, the rules are there because they're looking for skilled traders. I think if you guys want, if you like to try, go ahead. Just make sure you read all of the rules first, evaluation rules, and for myself, again, I have no problems. I haven't found any problems and any trouble at all. Yeah, uh, using the MT4, and just make sure you connect your account to FX Blue so you can see your stats, and make sure take care of your risk. Okay, so guys, again, that's the review, my review, CTI funded program. I hope this video will become helpful to you, and so you can decide whether CTI funded program is suitable for you or not. Thanks guys so much for watching. Talk to you guys in the next video. Bye bye.